What's up guys, Anonymous Tech Guy here. Today I am going to be unboxing my new WASD keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard with cherry brown switches. Open this guy up. So WASD Keyboard is a new startup company that just started making keyboards right here in Milpitas. I chose the free shipping option and got my package in about 2 days. How crazy is that? So everything's packaged up real nice. Shipping confirmation order. And here is the box, guys. WASD keyboards. They strictly make mechanical keyboards, so make sure you guys hit them up for your keyboards. Let's open this guy up. Here we are, opening up the keyboard. Look at how nice it's packaged. And here you can see that the keyboard itself comes with a keycap puller to pull out any keycaps to replace it with custom ones, and a USB to PS2 adapter. Right here, it comes with the keyboard. And here is the actual keyboard itself. Wow, check that out guys. Cherry brown switches, mechanical keyboard. It's really heavy. You can see right here the WASD logo. It's a very, very clean look. And as you guys can see here, I have the red escape key. Zoom out. Comes with a braided USB gold-plated connector. The cable. It's not as thick as some other gaming keyboards out there, but it's very nice. The keyboard itself is very heavy. So thank you guys for joining me in this unboxing. I will be doing a review on this product, and I will post the review in the description box. Peace!